chat box, just go and write anything that you want to do, anything, any type of random query in your mind that you want to do, type me and just let me know. I'll just copy paste it from the chat box. I'll just copy paste it and just try it in front of you. Right. I want to show you something what happens behind the scenes, right? I'll show you the results. We'll come to results. We'll try a lot of use cases now. We'll not stop to that. But let's just see the result. So what happens is the entire thing that you told me. So what happens? How does this agent works? Every time it opens Sky Scanners, a screenshot is being clicked for the entire screen. The screenshot is being sent to OpenAI, ChatGPT, understand whatever you can, and then ChatGPT analyzes the entire screenshot and then sends the next instruction to the entire browser agent. This is how it works. So, and you can see the entire working of it here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Everything is being done. Everything here is being done all by itself. I didn't do anything. But this agent failed. This agent didn't give us the required result. Anyone wants to guess why? Like, why did this agent fail and not printed out any results? Anyone? Now I'll tell you where this agent fails. I told you that this line was important, right? This line is very important, right? Actually, why is this line important? Because we are dealing with a computer. We are not dealing with a human, right? We are giving the power to an AI to take decisions on behalf of us. If I give my credit card credentials, it will book. It will just go and use my transaction. It will just go and just book flights for me, like automatically, right? So this is the power that we are giving to an AI to control it. So this is important. We have to give clear instructions to an AI how to do this. How to do this, like what are the steps involved? What do we need to do, right? So I would suggest you, whenever you want to give a task to this agent, go to ChatGPT, right? And write something like this. I am using a browser agent. I am using, okay, sorry, Sui. I'm using a browser agent. I want you to break down my task into smallest number of simplest steps so that my agent completes the task. Okay, and then I'll give my query. I'll just paste it. So one thing is that you can give directly this query to like task and you can just do it, or I want crisp points, not detailed ones, right? Right? I want you to give this task. Now I can also say that this is the simple steps. I want to give only 5 steps. Only 5 steps. Right? Take this, paste here, remove this. This is a multi-line thing. Paste it here. Done. Now let's run it. This is how you give the task to this agent. Why are we doing this? Because you have to understand that current stage, at least in 2025, we are not at a stage where this agent understands everything. Maybe 1 year down the lane, 6 months down the lane, we are at a stage where you will have great things in your arsenal. But right now, this is the current stage and you have to do this, right? My hands are here. I'm not doing anything. Now I I can make it more accurate as well by writing BLR. Right? I think it will make it more accurate, but let's just see. So this is happening right in front of you. I'm not doing anything, right? So it is controlling my computer. Now this is not 100% accurate. That's why this is an autonomous agent, right? Now I was telling you the difference between an agentic workflow and a fully autonomous agent. What you are seeing right now is a fully autonomous agent. I have no control over it. Whatever it has to do, it can do by itself. I have no control over it. Now it is not working. Why? Because the page has to be scrolled. In this screenshot that is being sent to ChatGPT, this page has to be scrolled. And now 30th of May lies below, right? So it is not able to do the entire task. Now it will not return me anything. Though it is saying that it's completed it, but it has not searched it. Because in the entire page, it was not able to scroll. This is the problem with computer agents. How do we solve it? I'll tell you that as well. But I wanted to intentionally show you what are the problems to it, right? So these are the problems associated with these agents right now. Now I'll take up anything from chat. I'll just pick up some random queries. Okay, I'm just going up, taking up any random queries. Yeah, you need an API key for this. Yeah. Entire flight, I would have to give my, suggest me a good car under 10 lakh. Okay, I will take it slow. Why is it slow? Because this is how the agent works. Now it can be pretty fast. You have to see, I'm telling you a lot of things. You can make it pretty fast. You can make it headless browsing as well. It will work very, very fast. But I want to show you how these agents work, right? So yeah, this is the basic coding, only 10 lines of code, right? Search image generation in Hugging Face. Okay, let's do this. Let's take this example in front of you, right? I'll just give it straight away. I'll not use ChatGPT to break down my task, right? Cool. Let's see what it does. Okay. Okay, it directly searched on Google image generation in Hugging Face. Cool. Oh, here is it. Image generation in Hugging Face. Here we are. This is what you wanted me to search. This is here. The task is completed. Right, I think this is completed and this is just doing a lot of, I don't know what it is doing now, but yeah. But cool, we are good with that. Anything else? It's just printing down the entire models out there, not doing anything. These are all the models printed from task completed successfully. Okay, tell me anything else. Find numbers and emails. So this is a complex task, right? This is a complex task. I'll come to that, how to do complex tasks with this. Sign Gmail and send an email. I will do that. I will show you how to do that. Build payment gateway. So you are giving complex tasks to this. Understand that this is a recurring thing. What you are giving is a team of AI agents. I will tell you how to do it, but yes, pick the cheapest flight in the morning and fill your details. Book a taxi. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's just see what type of website it uses. Pick the cheapest flight between 6,000 to 12,000 rupees in the morning from Delhi to Bangalore, and fill your details. You want to fill my details? Fill my name and print me the results. Let's say print me the results. So I'll show you everything, but let's just start with basics. Print me the results, right? I don't know how it is doing this. This is not in my hands. Okay, it directly searched. See, now I'll show you the problem. This is a problem, and let me show you that problem, right? Any guesses of? Okay, let's just see what did it print it before going next step. Okay, it's working in the behind the scenes. I think it has given the results. Okay, here are the results. JSON is being returned, but yes, task completed. Okay, all the details are here, cancellation fee, all the details are here. So yeah, I'll choose the problem with some other aim. Now tell me what, it's advanced version of crawler, but I'll show you why it is not advanced version of crawler. Best mutual fund with higher return for next 5 years.